So hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. So today I have ordered a microphone for our channel. So let's unbox that microphone that was being sent by the online shopping site. So I ordered this one and let's see. So this does not cost me very much. It's not that expensive one. It's a little bit affordable for me as our channel is not in a very great condition to buy such expensive deals. So I have got some simple tactics. I was using my phone's microphone till now to record videos. But I think after this video I might be able to use this microphone as my primary microphone from the next videos or the upcoming videos. Okay, I'll just go inside it and see what I have got. So it's inside a pack, and it's not very expensive one, so I just ordered a collar microphone so that I can just record it directly from my phone. And this is it, and it's a collar microphone. We can simply use it like this and put it there and put this aux cable or the inside my phone's headphone jack, and then we can directly record from here using this microphone. Let me show you removing this cover how it really looks like. So let me show you. This is it, and this is it how it looks. Have a look. So this was the unboxing video for my microphone. I just received it, and that's it. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and it's not very expensive one, so do not expect much from this video because our channel is not that in a great condition. So I just ordered a less expensive or affordable one for me. And so what do you think about it, guys? Tell me in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, do hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming leaks and rumors. And I'll be making more videos on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and the upcoming LG G7 or the iPhones this year, whatever they are going to release. The iPhone SE2 is on the edge, so let's make more videos on iPhone SE2 that is coming soon, maybe after 1 or 2 months. So I'll be covering all the videos on iPhone SE2. So stay connected for more videos on the upcoming phones. And that's all. Hope to see you tomorrow again in the next one. Until then, peace.